If Microsoft Outlook keeps asking for your password even after you've entered it correctly, it's usually due to a credential conflict, a corrupted profile, or an issue with modern authentication. So here are the fixes. Firstly, close Outlook completely. Press the Windows key, type Credential Manager, and select it. Go to Windows Credentials, and look for any entries starting with Microsoft Office 16 or Outlook. Click them and select Remove to clear the cached login data. Old versions of Outlook don't always play nice with two-factor authentication. Go to File, then Office Account, and select Update Options to ensure you're on the latest build. Also make sure Windows is fully updated to support modern HeyYouth login prompts. If clearing credentials didn't work, your profile might be corrupt. Open the Control Panel, search for Mail, and click Show Profiles. Click Add to create a test profile, link your email, and see if the prompt disappears. If it does, you can delete the old one. If you have two-step verification turned on for a Gmail or Yahoo account linked to Outlook, your regular password won't work. You need to log into your email provider's security settings, generate a 16-character app password, and use that in Outlook instead. Then, in Outlook, go to File, Account Settings, and select your email. Click Change, then More Settings. Under the Security tab, ensure Always Prompt for Login Credentials is unchecked. This often solves the issue for Exchange or IMAP accounts. So this is how you stop Outlook from bothering you for your password every 5 minutes. If this guide finally got you back into your inbox without the headache, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you're the first one to see the next quick fix. And I'll see you in the next one.